And a good Friday morning to you. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights, Radio Vermont weather forecaster. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, 802 Honda, all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. You're looking at the visible satellite picture of this morning on this Friday morning. And what you can see here is kind of some sort of a streak of clouds here that is really illustrating what is a frontal boundary that's going to be working into Vermont tonight. Looking at Vermont, you can see some fog in the Winooski River Basin, the White River Basin, and a few of the tributaries, and certainly up and down the Connecticut River Valley. Other things you can see here is some smoke, and where that smoke is thickest, especially in southern parts of New Jersey, offshore, and then further south into the Middle Atlantic states. As I move this a little bit further out to the south and west, you might want to notice also in the Great Lakes now, this is pristine air. This is smokeless air. And it's being pushed along by an upper-level low that is spinning way off to the north and west of us, mostly north of us in Hudson Bay. And this is driving much more pristine air or good air quality or nice clarity to the atmosphere minus any smoke layers. This frontal boundary is really separating those two in what you can see here. The rapid refresh model from what you can see here is that pristine air, and this is our upper low over the Hudson Bay. It's taking a lot of the smoke and pushing it south, and they're seeing really good clarity now in the parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, the Great Lakes, and of course north into Canada. This is going to be pushing our way, so when that frontal system pushes through and knocks out a lot of our humidity, it's also going to knock out a lot of that smoke, and our visibility should be pretty fine. We should have decent clarity to the atmosphere, and it'll also promote probably temperatures that might be just a little bit warmer otherwise than having those smoke layers. Those smoke layers actually reduce the temperature just a tiny bit. The thicker the smoke, the cooler the temperature. And it also cuts down a little bit on convection. That is, any kind of thunderstorm activity that might develop. It's just a hair, it's minutia, but it does happen. With this pristine air that's going to be working on in, we should have a fine stretch of several days of high pressure in control, really right into about late Tuesday night or really Wednesday morning before we'll see the remnants of Tropical Storm Fred come ashore basically in the Florida Panhandle region and then ride north and northeast into our neck of the woods, raising those dew point temperatures again later in the week. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.